Today I show how to use whiteboard animations video and how to create this whiteboard animation video. So let's start. First we show how to show that how to work it. So you see here, this is a clever plan. One day a boy called Sunny. So how to this created beautiful images and with beautiful titles. So came to garden full of mango of trees. So let's start. So first of all you go into Play Store. After going Play Store, you just type here Binimi. You just type here Binimi, just clicking here. After clicking you see this application, you just download and open. After clicking this you see Binimi projects. So if you want to create a new project, you just type here like edition and write here name like my first movie, my first pics, first story. Okay, create movie. After clicking this you have seen text. So first we write a text like clever boy. Smart boy, like SMART, smart boy. After clicking this, just insert here, type here. After clicking, if you want to increase their sizes, just click resize this, and you see here after changing color, just click here and like color change. And another option is like if you want to in black color, just click black color. Another, if you want to draw any smart boy shape, so you guys just go into stickers and go into recents. I have shapes, business, educations, animations. So you have different type of animation in this community. And another, so I found a child, so I just found a child. So you see here different type of board of animations videos make easily. This is a boy schools. So I just type here a smart boy whiteboard animations. So just click here and run this smart boy. So after clicking this, you easily type animation type of videos. So you see here there are different type of iteration, like you have any BG. If you want to select image from your gallery, just select image. If you want change color, just click color, and you see here change the color. So hopefully you find best app for creation of whiteboard animation. So like and subscribe for my YouTube channel for more informative videos.